Right. Shall we start? 46. The respective ratio of speed of the boat downstream and speed of the water current is 5:1. So downstream, M plus S, stream, they are in the ratio 5:1. From this we can decide man speed is equal to 4 parts. If the boat can travel 12.6 kilometers upstream in 84 minutes. So to calculate upstream speed, M minus S, which is equal to 3 parts, that is equal to, in 84 minutes it can cover 12.6 kilometers. Observe the relation between these two. What is half of this number? Come on, answer. Half of this number, 42. 84 plus 42, 126. But here we have 12.6. We will convert it to 60 minutes, right? Half of 60, 60, 30, that will be equal to 9 kilometers, right? So 3 parts is equal to 9 kilometer per hour. What is the speed of the water current? That means P is equal to 3. Stream speed, which is equal to 1 part, that's the question. Understand? Next. The compound interest on R% for 2 years at 20% per annum is 1716. What would be the simple interest on R plus 1400 for 3 years at 14% per annum? Okay. Compound interest for 2 years at 20% per annum, tell me in percentage. That is equal to 1716. Then 1% is equal to 1716 divided by 44. Let's not calculate that, let it be like that. Now our question is to identify simple interest on R plus 1400. So to calculate R value, which is 100%, this value is 1% and into 100. You'll get some number. And our new principle is 1400 more than R. This is a value. This is new principle. And for that we have to calculate simple interest for 3 years at the rate of 14% per annum. At the rate of 14% per annum, simple interest for 3 years is 42%. So we have to calculate 42% of this number. Are you okay? Instead of this, what I will suggest is, I won't suggest this method. This is 1% value. See, final question is, on R plus 1400, we need to calculate simple interest which is equal to 42%. Agreed? On R 42%, this is 1% value, 42% is this much. On extra 1400, we have to calculate 42%. 42% of 1400 will be 42 into 1% value, that is 14. You got it? This is one term. Numerator ends with denominator ends with 4 into which number ends with 2? Either 3 or 8. 2 possibilities are there, correct? So this number may end with 3 or may end with 8. Second number 42 into 14 ends with, so second number has only one possibility, that is 8. So our answer should end with either 1 or 6. How many options are there? Only one. Close it. Got it? AB started a business by investing X and X plus 3000 respectively. After 9 months from the start of the business, B left. If the respective ratio of A share and B share of annual profit is 8:9, what is the value of X? Their profit sharing ratio is 8:9. That will be equal to investment multiplied by time. Investments are X and then X plus 3000. A is there from the beginning till the end, so that will be 12. B is there in the business for 9 months and then left. 9 gets cancelled. 4 2 times, 4 3 times. Right hand side denominator multiplied by 2. 2x. Left hand side numerator 3x. Difference is, that will be equal to 3000 into 2. 6000. Got it? area of the square is 324, which is 18 square. So side is equal to 18. Let's conclude here. Perimeter of the rectangle is 30 meters more than the perimeter of the given square. Square perimeter is 4a. 4 times of 18. 18 double double. 18 double 36 double 72. 30 more than 72, which is equal to 102. That is equal to perimeter of the rectangle. 2 times of L plus B. Then L plus B will be equal to half of this number, that is equal to 51. Breadth of the rectangle mentioned as 19. If breadth is equal to 19, remaining will be L, that will be equal to 32. What is the area? Area of the rectangle, length into breadth. Answer ends with 8. How many options are there? Only one. 608, final answer. A train can cross an electric pole in 12 seconds. Had the length of the train been 60 meters less, it would have crossed 500 meters long platform in 28 seconds. What is the actual length of the train? Okay, now, first case it crosses an electric pole. Next case it crosses the platform. In both cases we have only same train and only one speed for the train. Are you okay? So speed is constant. When speed is constant, what is the relation between distance and time? Directly proportional or inversely proportional? As they are directly proportional, time taken in first case is 12 seconds. Time in second case is equal to 28 seconds. In first case, when it crosses a pole, distance covered is equal to train length, which is x. When second case, it crosses a platform of length 500 meters, but there is a change in length of the train. What happened to length? Length decreases by 60. That means new train length is equal to x minus 60. And to that we are crossing a platform, so we are adding platform length. Are you okay? So how much is this value? X plus 440. 4 3 times, 4 7 times. 7x 3x. Difference? 4x is equal to 3 into 440. Then x is equal to 3 into 110, which is equal to 330 meters. And that's what the question. Got it? Rice worth of 56 rupees per kg mixed with another variety of rice in the ratio 3:2. If the mixer is worth of 64 rupees per kg, what is the price of the second variety? Okay, as it is clearly said mixer, I am using alligation and mixer. In what ratio they mixed? 3:2, 3 parts and then 2 parts. First variety cost is 56. Second variety cost, that's what we have to find out. Mixer cost is equal to 64. All are cost prices only. Are you okay? 5664. Difference? If 2 parts is equal to 8, 3 parts is going to be, then question mark is equal to 64 plus 12, which is equal to 76. Are you okay? 5 years hence, the respective ratio of A sage and B sage at that time will be 7:5. And that of B and C sage at that time will be 10:9. Who is common? AB ratio, BC ratio. B is common. B in first ratio, 5 parts. Second ratio, so they both must be same, right? So let's multiply first ratio with 2, then it will become 14:10, where B is constant, correct? Then AB ratio is going to be 14:10:9. When was this? 5 years hence, after 5 years. 10 years ago, the sum of ages of A and C was 62 years. Are you okay? 10 years back to present, how many years gap? Present age to after 5 years, how many years gap? So 10 years back to after 5 years, gap will be For one person 15 years gap, correct? But 62 is sum of how many persons? So for each person when you are adding 15 years, for both you have to add 30. So 30 plus 62, 92 years is sum of ages of A and C. After 5 years, A age 14 parts, C age 9 parts. Sum is equal to 23 parts. 23 how many times? 4 times. P is equal to 4. Now go to the question. What is B's percentage? B age is going to be 10 parts, right? According to the ratio. When 1 part is equal to 4, 10 parts is going to be, when will be B 40 years old? After 5 years, B will be 40, correct? Then percentage of B, 35. You have to subtract 5 years, then answer is 35. The profit earned when an article is sold at 42% profit is 110.4 more than that earned when the same article is sold at 18% profit. So we are getting 110.4 rupees difference. In which all cases? The case where we got 42% profit and another case where we got 18% profit. What is difference in profit percentage? 24%. That will be equal to 110.4. Then 1% value is equal to divided by 24. Okay. What would be the selling price of the article if it is sold at 25% profit? When you are selling it at 25% profit, selling price will be 125%. 125. Got it? Right. So now cancellation with 24. If you are comfortable, let's go with 24 cancellation. Are you comfortable? 24, 4 times 96. 96. We have 144.6. 4.6 into 125. Can I treat 125 as 100 times plus 25 times? 100 times of 4.6. 460. 25 times will be 1/4 of this number only. 1/4 of this number is equal to 115. Total 575. Of the 3 numbers, the average of the first and second is greater than average of second and third by 49. The respective ratio of the first and third number is 9:2. What is the first number? Average of first number and second number is more than second and third number average by 49. If you take 2 common in left hand side denominator, numerator, plus s minus s gets cancelled. From that, first number minus third number is equal to 98. First number to third number ratio mentioned as 9:7, 9:2. Then first number is 9 parts, second number is 2 parts. Difference? That means this 98 is equal to 7 parts, right? Then 1 part is equal to by 7. And first number is equal to 9 parts. That is equal to into 9. Are you okay? Right. Numerator ends with 2. Denominator 7. 7 into which number ends with 2? Answer should end with 6. There is only one option. Got it? The sum of 4 consecutive even numbers is 83 more than sum of 3 consecutive odd numbers. If the sum of smallest odd number and the largest even number is 69, what is the smallest even number? Okay. How many even numbers are there? How many odd numbers are there? What is the question? Smallest? Smallest? ఇంతమంది ఉన్నప్పుడు మాట్లాడితే అసలు టాప్ లేచిపోవాలి. టాప్ లేచిపోవటం కాదు కదా, మళ్ళీ రెండోసారి అడగాల్సి వస్తుంది. Because the question is about smallest even number, let me treat it as x. next number x plus 2, the other number x plus 4, the other number x plus 6. And information wise it is said that sum of smallest even odd number, that is this fellow, and largest even number, and this fellow. Sum is equal to 69. Then smallest odd number must be equal to 63 minus x. Then only sum of these two numbers becomes 69. Check, verify it. Are you okay? The next number is going to be 65 minus x. Next number 67 minus x. Along with that, there is one more condition, that says sum of 4 consecutive even numbers. Sum of 4 consecutive even numbers is equal to 4x plus 12. That is 83 more than sum of consecutive 3 odd numbers. Sum of 3 consecutive odd numbers. Minus x, minus x, minus x we have. So let me write minus 3x. 63, 65, 67, these are consecutive numbers. Middle number multiplied by 3 will give you sum. 65 3 times is equal to 195. According to the condition, sum of 4 consecutive even numbers is 83 more than this number. So to this we have to add 83, right? Which is equal to 278. Come on, Pillalo. 278 minus 3x. Minus 3x goes to left hand side. 12 comes to right hand side and becomes minus. Are you okay? Then from this if you subtract 12, that is equal to 266. 7x is equal to 266. Then x is equal to divided by 7. Got it? 7 3 times, 8 times. X is equal to 38. Followed? A person incurs a loss of 10% on selling the watch for 2,700. 10% loss, selling price 2,000. Then cost price, you can immediately write it as 3,000. 10% loss minus 300. 2,000 selling price. Condition satisfied. Are you okay? At what price should the watch be sold to earn 37% profit? To get 37% profit, you have to sell it at 137%. 137 percentage is 137 into 1% value, which is equal to 30. 30 has 0, I'll write 0. Leaving 0, last digit is 7 into 3, that is 1. Answer should end with 1 0. How many options are there? Only one. Third option, final answer. Shopkeeper mixed 2 varieties of dal, rupees 20 rupees per kg, 30 rupees per kg in the ratio 2:3 and sells the mixture at 20% profit. Find the price per kg at which he sold the mixture. Okay. When you are expecting 20% profit, at what price you need to sell? 120 percentage. Is 3 multiple? Answer must be 3 multiple. Go for verification. First option, is it a 3 multiple? No. Second, this may be your answer, hold it. Third, no. Fourth, no. Fifth, eliminate. Second, final. If you want to calculate, let's take ratio 2:3. 2 kgs of first variety, 3 kgs of second variety. First variety price is 20. Like that we have 2 kgs. Total cost 40. Second variety 3 kgs. Total price 30 into 3, that is 90. So total cost price is equal to 130 and we are expecting 20% profit. 20% profit will be 26 rupees. So you have to get 156 rupees. By selling how many kgs? By selling how many kgs? Then per kg that will be equal to divided by 5. That is equal to 31.2. If the ratio of length and breadth of the rectangle is 5:2, the breadth of the rectangle is 18 centimeters less than the length. From the ratio, what is length? 5 parts. What is breadth? Difference. Difference in terms of centimeters is 18 centimeters. Then 1 part is equal to is equal to 6. From this, length is equal to 5 into 6, 30. Breadth is equal to 2 into 6, that is equal to 12. Now, find the area of the circle. Okay. Radius is 5 centimeters less than the breadth. 5 less than 12, which is equal to 7. Area of the circle, pi r square. 22 by 7 into r square, I will write it as 7 into 7. 7 gets cancelled, 22 7 times. 22 7 times, 154. A bag contains 12 red, 5 blue, 3 green and then 6 yellow. 3 balls are picked at randomly. Find the probability of getting 3 red balls from the bag. Total, how many are there? 12 plus 5, 17. Plus 3, 20. Plus 6, 26. You need to get 3, 26 C3. And we need to calculate probability of getting 3 red from 12 red. So that can be done in 12 C3. This will be equal to, because we have C3, C3. I'll directly write it as 12 into 11 into 10 by 26 into 25 into 24. Interesting number in numerator is 11. 11 multiple is there in numerator. Do you have 11 multiple in denominator? Then your answer numerator should be 11 multiple. Go to options. Only one. AB enter into a business with investments in the ratio 2000, 2400. If A invested for 12 months, B invested 3 months less than that of A. If A's time period is 12, B's time period is 3 months less than A, which is equal to 9. Find the profit ratio at the end of the year. Investments are in the ratio. Ratio 5:6. Cancellation with 400. A is there for 12 months. B is there for 3 months less than 12, which is equal to 6. 10 by 10:9, second option. Right. Let's keep 25% aside. 50% of 60%. 30% of this number is equal to 3 into 10%, which is 640. Still 25% is there, right? 25% in the sense 1 by 4 only. 4 cancellation. 160 into 3, 480. Got it? Right. Otherwise also you can directly write. When I see these 4 numbers, I see this number as interesting number. Why? 3 multiple. Is it a 3 multiple? What is your first number? 50. Is it a 3 multiple? Second number? No. Third number? Yes. Is it a 3 multiple? Is it a 9 multiple? Come on. Fourth number. Is that a 3 multiple? So out of your 4 numbers, is it a 3 multiple or 9 multiple? Answer also must be 3 multiple. Can it be first option? Can it be second option? కొంచెం జాగ్రత్తగా ఆలోచించండి. Is it a 3 multiple? Is it a 9 multiple? Do you have 9 multiple in our original number? Can that be your answer? Next, third option 3 multiple, fourth option, fifth option, third final. Answer should be only 3 multiple but not 9 multiple. Second option is 3 multiple also, so that cannot be your answer. Yes. Okay. 7 2 by 7 comes to left hand side, becomes minus 6 plus 6 minus 5 minus 7 cancel. 1 by 7, 3 by 7, minus 2 by 7, minus 2 by 7, 4 by 7, minus 4 by 7, cancel. Answer 0. Now, let me take 42 common in left hand side denominator. That becomes 14 into 42 minus 336. Correct? Correct? Which is equal to 6x only. Then x value is equal to this much. Got it? Let me verify last digit verification. 4 into 2 ends with 8 minus 6. Denominator. Come on. 2 into which number ends with 2? Either 1 or 6. Correct? Answer should end with either 1 or 6. How many are there? Third option, final answer. Answer 1, option 3. Be careful. Minus x, take that to right hand side. Right hand side 400 comes to left hand side. Are you okay? 22 square. Remember, right hand side 400 comes to left hand side and becomes minus 400, right? So from 484, can we subtract 400 and write 84 now? And what is other number? Answer 120. Are you okay? 9 square. 81 plus 26. Under root of 49. 7 into 2. Sum of both the numbers is which number square? 11 square. Otherwise also you can easily answer the question by identifying last digit verification. First of all, we have 9 square in left hand side and all the other symbols are plus only. Correct? If x square is 9 square plus something, x will be definitely more than 9 only. Already 3 options eliminated. Are you okay? 2 options are there. Let's verify last digit verification. Ends with 1 plus 6 ends with 7 into 2 ends with 7 plus 4 ends with 10 square ends with 0, right? So that is eliminated and first option final answer. Okay. 60% of 350, 10% double, triple, 10% double, triple, 210. 90% will be equal to subtracting 10% only. What is 10%? 170 minus 17, 153. Right hand side number 150 is there, correct? When it comes to left hand side, it becomes minus 150. Let me take 150 here. This will be equal to 213, which is equal to 71%, right? Then 1% value is equal to by 71. 100% will be into 100. 71 3 times into 100, answer is 300. Done. This number, underlined number, goes to right hand side and becomes minus, correct? Underlined number, when you observe it, 2 square into 5 square is there. Can we write it as 10 square? Which is 100 only. Into 600, right? Right hand side 625 minus 600, that is equal to 25. X square is 25. X is 5. Backtracking. Under root of 49. 48 plus 7. Under root of 25. 5 plus 7, 24. Under root of 7, 29. 27. 0.4. Can we write it as 4 by 10? 180 divided by 0.4. That I am going to write it as 4 by 10. Denominator in denominator comes to numerator. Are you okay? And now upon this we have to calculate 80%. 1800 by 4. Half and half. Half of 1800. Again half. 450. So we have to calculate 80% of 450. Correct? 80% in the sense subtracting 20%. What is 10%? 20%. If you subtract 90, answer 360. Let's first take number after decimal. 0.37, 0.53 positive number, sum is 0.90. Minus 90 plus 90 gets cancelled. Correct? And what is a negative number? 90 taken from 120, still you have 30 plus 45. It is in the form of a square minus b square. Otherwise, divided by 4 is for entire number, right? 4 can be written as 2 square. So from 14 square you can take 2 square. From 4 square also you can take 2 square. Correct? If we take 2 square common from both the numbers, denominator is also 2 square. Both gets cancelled, right? Can you tell me leftover numbers? 7 square minus 2 square, correct? Minus x goes to the other side. Right hand side number comes to left hand side. Minus 5 square. Got it? A plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. A plus b. A minus b. 9 into 5. 45 minus 5 square is 25. 45 minus 25? 20. Clear? Under root of 1024. 32. 1936. 4 square ends with 6. 6 square also ends with 6. Correct? Right. What is 40 square? So, it is more than 40 square, right? That should be either 44 square or 46 square. Got it? So, between these two we have 45 square. What is 45 square? 4 into 5, 20 and 25. But our number is less than that. So, it cannot be 46. It should be. So, finally we have to identify 30 to 44 times, right? 44 times I will treat it as 40 times plus 4 times. Are you okay? 40 times, 10 times, double, double. What is 10 times? 320, double, double. If 1280 is equal to 40 times, 4 times will be just 128. That will be equal to 1408. Second option. Clear? Percentage cancel. 40 10 times only. Answer 550. What is this value? Squaring on both sides, left hand side under root gets eliminated and right hand side will be 4 square, that will be 16. Now what is 24 divided by 6? 4 goes to the other side, becomes minus 4 only. Left hand side leftover number is x by 3. What is this 16 minus 4? Then x is equal to 12 into 3. Answer. Let me first calculate this. Divided by 2 by 3 can be written as into 3 by 2. 25% can be treated as 1 by 4. Now what is denominator? 8 how many times? 30 into 3, 90.